Mark Cuban did something pretty great for Dogecoin today. Let's take a look at it. Before we go any further, please keep in mind that we're giving away $500 to a random subscriber. All you have to do is like the video, subscribe, and leave a comment on your favorite crypto. Read our description for more info about it. Now, let's get started with today's video. We know that there's a lot of fear in the market about regulation. That's partly the reason why Dogecoin isn't rising at the moment. So, Mark Cuban has come out and shared his opinion about it, and it's bound to decrease a lot of fear that's in the market right now. Cuban said if crypto is built on existing fraud laws, it is not a bad thing. He also said that it will require proof of authorship and identity, but it won't hurt innovation, nor slow anything down. It will open the door for more people to confidently use crypto. Any discussion of crypto regulation has to start with the facts that there are already laws against fraud and that crypto is not monolithic. And as I said, his comments are going to decrease a lot of FUD that's in the market right now. The thing is that feds are constantly talking about regulation, which is stopping people from getting into the market right now. But there's another big thing that happened today. The Federal Reserve is now undergoing an ethics review after it was found that the top officials invested millions into assets that were being bought by banks. The timing of this isn't a coincidence. They can now dump all of their bags for so-called ethical reasons because they're anticipating cryptos to fall from here. The thing is that because of this new info, people won't buy into the FUD created by government officials. This could be called insider trading at a very large scale. First, they accumulated after spreading FUD about it, and now that they think cryptos have topped, they're going to dump them for apparently ethical reasons. And this is great because, after this, Doge holders won't indulge in panic selling when some news about regulation or something related comes out. They'll know that there's a lot of stuff happening beneath the surface. Moving on, let's talk about some more interesting news from today. PayPal announced something pretty big for all crypto holders in the UK. In a tweet, they said that, "We are delighted to share that all eligible customers in the UK can now buy, hold and sell Bitcoin, Ethereum, Bitcoin Cash, and Litecoin from their PayPal account." If you remember, something similar happened yesterday. Doge was left out from the AMC announcement too, and these were the exact 4 cryptos that are being accepted there too. So I don't really get why they're forgetting about Doge. I strongly believe that these big firms will reconsider when the Doge upgrade comes out sometime next month. Coming back to it, users can now view real-time crypto prices, access educational content, including the opportunities and risks from the PayPal app. With a trusted brand like PayPal now making an entry, crypto now has a pretty big chance to become mainstream in the UK. Also, customers can start by buying as little as £1 worth of crypto through PayPal. So there's another incentive for people in the UK to get into the market. Coming back to Doge, it appears to have built solid support at the 23 cents level. An ascending channel is forming right now, and the size of the ascending triangle suggests that Doge can go to 30.5 cents from here. But as I've been saying, Doge is looking to be too reliant on Bitcoin at the moment. Currently, the price correlation between Doge and Bitcoin stands at 0.71, which is simply huge. And this correlation might just be great for Doge. New on-chain metrics have led analysts to stay firmly bullish on Bitcoin price action. An analyst called Favour is forecasting not only a rematch of all-time highs, but a breach of 100K before the year is out. Keep in mind that this is exactly what Stock to Flow, a model which has been really accurate this year, is predicting for Bitcoin. This analyst also said that, with bullish signals in the near term, we could now be setting up for a major run that first takes BTC up towards 85K before breaking through the psychological barrier of 100K. If the price does rally in the way we expect, then our first major target is a level that front-runs the 1.618 Fibonacci retracement level at 85.9K. And another big news was that Cuba's central bank is now officially recognizing cryptos like Bitcoin. With crypto legally recognized by the BCC, Bitcoin and other cryptos can now be used for commercial transactions and investments in Cuba. Because of this, Cuban's may begin to enjoy easier remittance flows from overseas despite the United States embargo. And I think we could see some money flow into Bitcoin because of this, simply because they now have a cheap mode of payment for cross-border transactions. And then there was another great news that came from China. Evergrande Real Estate Group has suspended its bond trading services this Thursday. With $300 billion at stake, comparisons to the 2008 global financial crisis were quick to emerge. About this, Plan B, the creator of the stock-to-flow model, said that this is China's Lehman moment. The money printing will be massive. This is good for Bitcoin. And this is why it'll be good for Bitcoin. Money printing on a huge scale by central banks previously helped Bitcoin's dramatic run-up from $3,000 in March 2020 to all-time highs of $64.5K just over a year later. Now, let's look at a prediction from the CEO of the biggest crypto exchange in the United States. In a recent blog, he said that by shifting cryptocurrency from being primarily about trading and speculation to being about real-world utility, the 2020s will see a huge increase in the number of people holding and using cryptocurrency and start to really move the needle on global economic freedom. Also, the CEO of Polychain Capital and the ex-CTO of Coinbase estimate that at a price of $200K per Bitcoin, more than half the world's billionaires will be from crypto. With that said, I'd still like to remind you that I'm not a financial advisor and this isn't financial advice, so you should definitely do proper research before investing anything into crypto. Now, let's talk about Ethereum for a minute. It looks like Ethereum is going to explode to 6.5K in the coming sessions. This is because it formed a cup and handle pattern today. The success rate of this pattern is around 65%, so this is definitely worth considering. If you don't know, a cup and handle structure develops after the price first rallies significantly to the upside and then corrects to carve out a rounding bottom called the cup. So, I think you could consider Ethereum too. Coming back to regulation, Elizabeth Warren has hinted that investing in DeFi projects is pretty risky given the fact many have not registered with the SEC. Also, she highlighted some of the high transaction fees during periods of volatility. She also said that the fee to swap between two crypto tokens on the Ethereum network was more than $500. In the face of these high, unpredictable fees, small investors could easily get jammed and wiped out entirely. These high, unpredictable fees can make crypto trading really dangerous for people who aren't rich. She also said that she's concerned about the price drops among cryptos, including Bitcoin and Ethereum last week, saying, $400 billion in market value was disappeared while many users reported problems accessing major exchanges like Coinbase. So, I think regulation for cryptos is pretty much inevitable. But still, because of Mark Cuban's latest comments, they might not have the same impact they used to have on the retail investors. And this is it for today's video. Thanks for watching till the end. If you enjoyed it, please consider liking and sharing it with your friends. Also, please subscribe to the channel and turn on post notifications for daily videos on Dogecoin and cryptocurrency. If you have any questions or suggestions, please leave them in the comments section below. Goodbye. Take care.